Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Why aren't you drinking soy milk yet? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Why aren't you drinking soy milk yet? Oh my God!
Today on TikTok, we are looking at some amazing animal rights activists, and we are looking at terrible people who exploit animals. We're going to begin with Gordon Ramsay, who thinks it is perfectly fine to take animals such as donkeys and to steal their milk. Yep, this is how low he has stooped now. Now he is showing us that he's going to touch these animals inappropriately and take something that belongs to their babies. Why does he do this? Because he's a greedy person who only cares about money. He gets paid by these industries. He's despicable. He is a disgrace. Next up is a gentleman whose name is Hunter Toby Four. Memorize that name, and I suggest you do follow him on TikTok. He is an animal rights activist, and you can see here he's talking about how eating meat is actually not manly.
I love it when people say meat is manly. Like in every other aspect of society, sticking up for the innocent and defenseless is the manly thing to do. You see a child that can't defend itself being bullied, you go and stick up for it. That's what men do. Men fight for those who can't fight for themselves. But for some reason, we hold a double standard when that comes to animals. These beautiful, innocent, defenseless animals, like my pigs over here, can't defend themselves. They can't do anything. They've never done anything wrong, but all of a sudden it's manly to take advantage of somebody that can't fight back. That's the biggest pussy shit in the world. Real men fight for those who can't fight for themselves. Get out of here with that weak ass shit.
Here he is voicing his opinion about vegan cats and vegan dogs. Have a listen.
Well, luckily you're talking to one of those crazy vegans. I have a vegan cat and a vegan dog. This is Willow. He's been vegan for his entire life. He's 18 pounds, not overweight. And as soon as you can name a single nutrient that scientists can't synthesize in a lab and fortify into vegan cat and dog food that they need, I will stop feeding my cat and dog a vegan diet. But until then, good luck. We live in the 21st century. We are completely capable of synthesizing essential nutrients such as taurine and more and fortifying them into vegan cat and dog food. It makes no sense to abuse, exploit, and slaughter multiple animals to feed one. There are multiple studies on this for vegans, cats, and dogs, and not one of them show that they're not healthy. Every single one concludes that vegan cats and dogs can thrive on a vegan diet that is properly supplemented. So I'll wait for you to name that nutrient that can't be synthesized. Good luck.
You think that having to stay home for a few months in 2020 was bad? Imagine spending your entire life in a cage like this. This is animal rights activist Sorsha Morava. I suggest that you follow her on TikTok. She's a deeply caring person. She cares about the animals. She thinks it's wrong to exploit lions this way. And she's pointing out the horrific humans that are on the side there trying to get their picture taken with somebody who is enslaved. If this was a black person behind bars like this, would you be laughing and thinking it's a big joke? This lion is not playing with you. This lion wants out. If you're not yet following her, here's her address on TikTok. Another account I suggest you follow is this one, Rescued Friends. This is an account that has a sanctuary where they take care of animals who have been rescued. Animals who have been abandoned and are in terrible shape. They take them all in. They give them love and support. Why eat animals if you don't have to? Why make them suffer so much? You can be vegan from now on. When you're on TikTok, support accounts like this. The name again, Rescued Friends. If you go there, tell them That Vegan Teacher says hi. Vegan Sparkle. Here's another account you should follow. Not only is she an ethical vegan, she also has great presentations with all kinds of different foods that are vegan. This is what she looks like. Super positive and upbeat. She talks about everything. Noosh and how to make watermelon tuna. All kinds of cool stuff. Here she's saying, this is your sign to stop eating so much meat and seafood and eat plants. Put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart, because peace begins on your plate, so open up your heart. She's reminding you to treat your body like a garden, not a grave. Doesn't this look beautiful? This is your sign to stop obsessing with meat, dairy, and eggs, and eat plants. Follow for more plant-based recipes. Here's another one. Doesn't that look delicious? Isn't it amazing what you can do when you cut out dairy? It's meant for baby cows. That's what I like about this account. She talks about the animals all the time, mixed in with showing some great vegan foods. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, so remember her name? Vegan Sparkle. Follow her. This young woman is in amazing shape. She talks about vegan food, and she also talks about the animals a lot. I love how simple her videos are. It says, if we can feed 56 billion land animals in a year, why the hell can't we feed 8 billion humans? When you realize it takes 6 chickens for an order of 12 wings, let that sink in. These are the best vegans, the ones who are actually ethical vegans. When people say it won't make a difference if you stop eating animals, and then on screen she shows how many animals have been killed for food in the US by the time you watched that short video. These are the true vegans, the ones who talked about the ethics. And what's great is when they add some vegan recipes too. What's her name, you ask? Claire Aragon. Follow her. In her comment section, tell her that vegan teacher says hi. Here is another account you should follow. This one is in German. I know you're thinking to yourself, I don't know German. It doesn't matter. Follow him anyway. It's a great way to learn. Look, his account is called Herr Tierfreund. That means Mr. Animal Friend. Here he's talking about drinking cow's milk and how weird it is to do that past the age of infancy. And why is it that we drink cow's milk instead of human milk if we really think we need milk? Why wouldn't we just drink human milk, even as adults, and put that on our cereal? And why is it that we don't drink the milk of other species? Listen for a second.
Ich trinke Kuhmilch und keine Milch von meiner Mama. Das ist ja das Verrückte. Wir trinken Kuhmuttermilch und denken, das wäre normal. Muttermilch einer anderen Spezies. So what? Das ist doch total unnatürlich. Wäre es nicht viel natürlicher, wenn wir Muttermilch unserer eigenen Spezies trinken würden? Aber hey, geh mal hin und frag mal, hey, willst du mal einen Joghurt probieren? Den habe ich aus der Muttermilch von meiner Mama gemacht. Dann würden alle sagen, geh mal weg damit. Aber bei Muttermilch einer Kuh ist es okay? Würdet ihr Schweinemilch trinken oder Rattenmilch oder Hundemilch? Nein? Warum dann Kuhmilch? Das ist nichts anderes. Babynahrung von einem Tier für ein Tier.
Here's his account again, just a little overview. He does speak English, but all his videos are actually in German. Do you remember his name? Herr Tierfreund. See it at the top? Mr. Animal Friend. Follow him and tell him I said hi. I started this video by showing you Gordon Ramsay. And let me end by showing him again. At first glance, you think to yourself, well, this account looks like it's fun. It's got a lot of colors, and there's people laughing in there, joking around. But the reality is, he is an animal abuser. And the only reason that he has so many followers is because the meat, dairy, and egg industries sponsor him. I urge you to use your brain and think a little bit deeper. Who will you follow on TikTok? Unfollow all of these animal abusers and follow the animal defenders. If today is the day you finally decide you don't want to be a hypocrite anymore and you want to join the right side of history, congratulations. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. So proud of you. Coming up on screen are a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious. Look around that Vegan Teacher site. There's all kinds of videos here. And while you're at it, subscribe and press the notification bell. Help us get these animals out of hell. Thank you.